Hi friends, it's Abhay here. Welcome to Coders Project. So in the previous video you have learned what are variables in Python. In this video you're going to be learning about data types. So what is a data type? Data type defines the type of variable, whether it is an integral variable or a string or a tuple or a dictionary, etc. Variables can store data of different types and different types can do different things. Python has the following data types built in by default. These are the categories. So in the text type, it is string. In numerics type, it is int, float, and complex. In sequence type, it is list, tuple, and range. For mapping type, we have the dictionary. For set types, we have set and frozen set. For boolean type, we have the boolean characters. For binary types, we have bytes, byte trace, and memory view. So now, how do you get the data type? You can get the data type of any object by using the type function. I'll just be showing it now. So for example, I have defined variable x and variable y. To get the data type, you just have to type print type and then in the brackets the variable name, which is x. So it will show you has class string. Now let me change this to an integer. Let me keep it as 10. Now I'll be printing y. So print type and then y. Let me run this. So as you can see, it's the class integer. This is how you set and get data types for different categories also. And now I'll just show you another category. Let it be as a list. So we have created a list over here and I'll be printing z. Print type z. I'll just run this. So as you can see, it's the class list. So in the upcoming videos, I'm going to be taking each category and discussing more about the data types. So stay tuned for my videos. Do subscribe my channel, like my videos. See you soon.